Hi everyone, I'm Hassan and I'm a student in Clever School at grade 9. Today I'm gonna talk about why should we know ourselves, why we having our dream. We should work into our dream to be successful in the life and never be jealous to other people's life because they have the special life of themselves and you have your special life. That's why don't be jealous about other people's life. And when you be jealous, I'm very sure, pretty sure you cannot get success because you copy the other people. And in our community, the unique people are lovely and great. The people love it, and try to be unique and having a dream. Try to having a dream. Try because nothing in the life don't happening without having dream. And when you having a dream, you practicing, you working to get that. And when you practicing, that time you will be unique because everything you should be exhausted of this and you get your dream. And don't be jealous about other people's life. It's not your business why he's successful, why our neighbor's son is getting his dream, why she is successful at everything. And just one time, try to this, and this time you will be the successful boy or girl. And my advice is to everyone. I don't talk about just one person or one thing. I just about everything because in our community is the best thing that you will be unique and try to your dream. And thank you for listening to me.